I'ma head out then.
How you been, man? All right. You gotta look good. Let them know what you're running in here.
Yeah, man, there are two FI SP4 V2 pluses. Running Otis design recones. They're on ND 12K half-ohm models apiece, and I'm running Titan 8 batteries with a JS alternator.
Okay, yes sir. Let them know where they can find you at on social media.
It's Bada Bing, Team Bada Bing.
Oh yeah. I know y'all about y'all. Yes sir.
Yep.
I forgot his name with the green in the back. Team Bada Bing.
Steve Sorrentino.
Yeah, that's him.
Yeah, with the van with the little face on the side.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, that's my buddy Steve.
Yeah, that's what I remember. Is that an 80 PRS?
Yes sir, 80 PRS.
That thing look like it's brand new.
I've had it for 14 years.
And it still looks like that?
14 years, yes sir. I had it before it was even like the craze. Before it was even popular. Yeah.
Now
I've had it a long time, man.
Cost a small fortune now.
Popping things out here.
Man, what's so good in the demo, man?
You want to see the back?
Yeah, let me see that. Oh man. That look good right there.
Hey, man.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.